Alright guys, so I wanted to help out whoever is going to be doing this on their car. I don't see much of it online. I got the Mugen style, they're reps, side skirts. I already got this side on. Fits nicely. Looks good. Probably going to replace this fender. But I'll show you guys how I did it. So you got your factory things here for the fender liner. Just go ahead and put a screw in that. That's easy. Just line it up, put a hole in this, and put the screw back. Easy. Hard part, not really hard. Back here, I just drill a hole in the rear fender and then line it up with this. And then all I do is put some, well, I got some plastic rivets. I'm gonna put some screws in next. I just want to see how they're gonna hold. Put one here, and I put another one here just to be sure. Everything else lines up. Last thing you want to do is hold the sides in. I gotta use the heat gun to make it fit better. But I just put some rivets along the sides here, just to hold it in place. Doesn't move. I'm gonna secure it a little better, but now it's just for fitment. Make sure everything's good before it's all done. Quick little video. Let me know if you have any questions.